Hi, I'm Dr. Karen, and I am certainly glad you have landed on this page. If there is one thing that you need to do for your overall health, it's clean up your gut. And you've probably heard, because it's all over every magazine, that every health condition is somehow related back to your gut health. So that is why I created, with my very good friend, Dr. Deb Kern, the Revitalize and Renew program, a 4-week digestive detox, a simple way for you to follow a very specific protocol to help support your gut health and start lifestyle practices that will transform your life. So yes, it's a 4-week program, but secretly, it really is the beginning of your new life. So anything you do for 4 weeks as a habit, you pretty much have guaranteed to be able to continue on with that. So all of the things that we cover in the Revitalize and Renew program are to help you set up new habits. So there are menus and recipes and shopping lists, and we have quizzes, and it's all self-paced, so you can take it at your own time, but it is a way to support your overall well-being. And the fact that you're even listening to this video is a fabulous first start, because I know it can be so confusing out there with so many opportunities to do so many cleanses and diets. And this is not a diet. This is a lifestyle. So I hope that you take a look at this page and look at the other video that gives you more depth about the program, and seriously considering giving you the gift of supporting your optimal gut health.